In this video, let me show you how to delete AdSense account. If you want to close your AdSense account, here's how to do it step by step. First, open your preferred browser in your PC or laptop. Next, search for AdSense or go back to ads.google.com. After that, click on the first link and log into your account. Now go to the left side menu and click on Account Settings. Then select Account Information. Before deleting your AdSense account, make sure you really want to delete your account because you can prefer it once it is deleted. After that, click on Close Account, scroll down, check the option for AdSense for YouTube, and then click on Close My Account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.